Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelancer student Hanee and Guillermo. So welcome to the freelancer course. Great to have you on board. I think freelancing is an exciting opportunity these days, and I'm really grateful for you to have joined the course. Thanks for joining. I think you made a great decision, and yeah, I'm here to support you. I'm here to help you out and to motivate you and to give you everything you need in order to get started as a freelancer. So I did freelancing myself. When I started out creating my own business, I started as a freelancer, and this actually paid the bills. And I had a full-time job as a full-time employee, and I actually joined the freelancing industry in order to fund my own business, my own coding business online. Okay, but in this video I want to give you like a motivation. This is one freelancer I found who is actually, so many people actually they are not confident, they don't think they can create value as freelancers, and I want to give you this case study. This is Moro from Italy, and he makes $35 per hour. He has a pretty high 99% job success score as a basic Python developer, and the only experience he has, like, he focuses on web scraping, but I found it really interesting that he is actually an economics graduate, so he has no experience whatsoever in Python during his whole study. So he's actually like, he started Python without Python knowledge, without like a formal degree in computer science, without being a programmer and having years and years experience, and he already makes $35 on Upwork, right? So the only thing education wise he has is working 1 year as a network specialist. So he in a consulting company where you are not even coding that much, right, as a consultant usually. So you see here his university degree is in economics, and he is network and IT specialist, and he actually just started out Python, right? And you don't need to have super advanced skills. The basic skill you will learn in the freelancer course, the skills in the freelancer course and in the Thinkster Academy is more than enough in order to provide value for clients. You just need to be a bit better than clients, and then of course you need to make them happy, right? This is a top-rated freelancer with 99% job success score. So clients love him. Clients actually give him work and give him good ratings because he just delivers the stuff, right? He delivers the gigs, he gets hired, creates value for clients. Clients give him a good rating, and Upwork recommends him. It's like a machine. It's like a value creation machine for the world, and you can participate and benefit from the machine if you are one wheel, like if you contribute to the global value creation, right? And yeah, $35 per hour. I think it's pretty satisfactory. So if you start out as a freelancer, if you have only 1 year of experience or so, you're an absolute beginner, within a year you can make $35 per hour. And if you work, say let's make it 8 hours per day, you have 8 times 35 is $280, right? So we have $280 per day. It's actually a great income as a web scraping expert. Okay, so anyway, I just want to give you this as a piece of motivation. You don't need to have super advanced skills. You can, with basic skills, with like finishing one course on the Thinkster Computer Science Academy, you could focus on the value you have. You can focus providing value in this one course you have done, and you have as a new freelancer student, Hanee and Guillermo, you have access to all courses on the Thinkster Computer Science Academy. So you can take a couple of courses that interest you most. You can learn the basics in Python in the Thinkster freelancer course itself. You can learn the basics of creating your coding business online, and by doing these things, you are prepared more than enough to create value on Upwork. We invite you even to be your first client and give you your first positive rating. So you start with 100% job success score. You have a hot start, and I think like the halo effect and everything will carry you forward. Just use the momentum, build your business one step at a time. You first need to learn how to crawl before you can walk, before you can run, right? And for the business it's the same, right? Just do it calmly every day. Build on what you have, ignore all the rest, just build what you have and expand it and improve over time, and you will lead a successful freelancing career. Anyways, thanks for joining, and see you in the course. Bye.